Good, glorious Monday. It is October the 21st, 2024, and it is going to be another sunny day. I know it's a shocker. We were a little bit cool this morning, but not as cold as we have been the last couple of days. It's going to be warm. Highs we get up near 80, probably upper 70s tonight. Lows in the 40s tomorrow. Highs probably up around 80, maybe even low 80s in the area. Continued on Wednesday with highs up into the upper 70s, low 80s. We'll see. Then we cool down as the front comes through, but just a wind shift change. The highs on Thursday only in the low 60s. And we look like low to mid 60s through the weekend. The long range is looking very warm. As a matter of fact, I would not be surprised again if we see low to mid 80s next week at some point before we head into Halloween. So let's go through it on the weather maps. That is just going to be reflected here. Sorry, I jumped ahead there by accident. But if we go forward, we can see this high pressure system really dominating our weather. It shifts a little bit east at times, so we're getting some southerly flow. That's why our temperatures are so warm the next couple of days. Here's that little kind of trough that moves through and cools us down a little bit. The heights, the upper level winds and everything lower, which makes it cooler here for a little bit. And this is on Thursday. You see a high to the north, kind of cooling us down some. And then it retreats off to the northeast. There is a small chance here of a shower maybe this coming weekend. We'll have to see. This will kind of slightly reinforce that cooler air just for a couple more days. But then as we head out, once it's cooler low to the northeast, and again, that's a little bit anomalous. I'm not sure that was even there completely in the previous runs. But we get under this high pressure system again, so we just drive it. Once that high shifts here off the east coast, over towards that Bermuda high or southeast ridge kind of position, this is a warm, very warm pattern as the winds come strong out of the south, and you get this strong southerly winds. This is a huge warm-up for a lot of the country. I can show you that actually on the anomaly here coming up. But, I mean, this is very warm this time of year. And so I would expect temperatures really to get up there into the low mid 80s, and that would not be surprising at all. As we keep on going way far out, you see we continue in this southerly warmer pattern. A little bit of a concern here that we get some easterly flow. This would bring in some moisture off the ocean. That's really far out, so we're not sure, but that's been there last couple of runs. That may bring some cloudiness. Here's another chance of a big cool down. We'll have to see how real this is in the very long range. I would say this is La La Land. I would not count on it. But if this comes through, it would cool us off for a few days behind the front. But honestly, it does not look like it's a sticking pattern, just the way things are set up. Hey, it's been your Monday, October 21st, Loudoun County Weather Outlook. Enjoy the warm and dry weather, and we'll see you here again tomorrow.